Hello and welcome to this course in Google Ads. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to know to set up and run a successful Google Ads campaign for your business. So first off, what are Google Ads? Google Ads are ads on the Google search page and also on a Google partner site, which are triggered by Google searches. On this page, we can see that someone has searched for iPad Pro. And alongside the natural search results, which are here at the bottom, there are these paid search results. These are these text ads here on the top left, and also shopping ads here on the right. And that gives you an example of two different formats that Google Ads can use. There are a lot of benefits of using Google Ads. There are major sources of traffic and sales. Just returning to our Google search results page, you can see that the amount of space on the Google search results page which is taken up by ads has increased over the years. It's now more and more difficult to get significant natural search traffic, and more businesses are relying on ads. Google is the world's biggest search engine, and in the West makes up for over 95% of all searches. Google Ads are, broadly speaking, easy to set up, and it's a self-serve system that anyone can use. Anyone can advertise on Google Ads, whether you're a multinational business like Amazon or a mum and pop store. Your ads will appear directly alongside major businesses, allowing you to compete directly. If done right, ads can be cost effective, and they're charged, broadly speaking, on a pay-per-click basis. That means you don't pay when the ad is shown, only when it's clicked. There's a lot of targeting options, so you can highly target your ads. The ads are highly targeted and contextual. What happens is someone makes a search for something, they might be searching for a product or a service, and your ads will appear alongside the natural search results. That means you reach people when they're at the actual moment when they're searching for things. So for example, if you're selling e-commerce consultancy services, you can pay to advertise when people search for things like find me an e-commerce consultancy or e-commerce agency. You can advertise at a local, national, even international level through the same platform. So for example, if you're a local business like a restaurant, you could advertise in your local area. If you're a national business, you can just restrict the advertising to your country. Or if you're an international business, you can create different campaigns in different countries. My name is Trevor Jin. I'm a successful e-commerce entrepreneur. I have 15 years experience of selling online, and I've been using Google Ads for over 10 years. My businesses do over $5 million a year in sales, and we've got customers all over the world. This course contains everything you need to know to launch successful Google Ads campaigns. It includes Google Ads basics, so we talk about what are Google Ads and how to set up your first campaign. We talk about how Google Ads work, including how you pay for your ads, that's bidding, and how the ads are ordered, that's ranking. We go for the different types of Google Ad campaigns you can create, including search, display, and shopping campaigns, which we'll be going to in detail. We'll look at the metrics, reporting, and tracking that you can use to measure the success of your ads. Tools which can be used to make managing your campaigns more easy, and also the most up-to-date, most automated Google Ad format, which is Performance Max campaigns, which can be used to get you starting advertising on Google very quickly. My business is called VenLab, and the website is venlab.com. You can also find me at linkedin.com, Trevor Jin. Facebook is facebook.com/venlab. Also on Twitter. Also, please check out our other Udemy courses.